Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to check your devices on Google account OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on the search option and search your device. Okay, your devices. So here it is, your devices Google account security. Move on it. When you click on it, from here you can select the manage account on this device. You can select there, click on the terms of service. You can select here manage accounts on this device. Okay, if you want to manage account on this device, you can manage from here. Okay, this is the automatically synchronize, okay, personal account data. If you want to deactivate just of this one, no one can personal account data here. Okay, and if you want to activate like this only, it's okay, you can activate it. And here is the Google, and here is the you can add account more. Okay, if you want to add account, you can add account. If you don't want, it's okay. Okay, here is the Google. If you select Google, this is the my Google. Okay, if you want to select who has joined, you can check from there from my Google. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.